Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faith. Faith without works are dead, Sagittarius. It's time to put some walk behind that talk. It's time to start building, putting some work in. You have a thought. You have an idea. It's time to make a timeline. It's time to meet your deadlines and bring the 4D, the 5D vision into the 3D to something physical. This is your time. This is your moment. You're a great creator. You're in creative mode, creation mode. Use it to your advantage. I'm confident that I will achieve my goals and I live in the present. And I have faith in the future. Because you always win. You're a genius sign. Everything is pointed into the right direction for you to grow and to be blessed. I firmly believe in my value within the universe, and freedom is coming your way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.